Hi guys, welcome back. So today we'll be taking a look at AMD and Nvidia. So before I begin, remember to take a second to give the video a like and subscribe as you're a great help our channel. Without further ado, let's first start off with advanced micro devices. So you can see that it's not looking too good for AMD from its recent high 164.46 and a very long time ago we hit 36.75. You can see that all these Fibonacci supports already broke down, so that is not a good sign. In fact, this 66.89 at 23.6% already broke down, and we are already $10 away from it. So, in all honesty, this is not a good sign at all. If you zoom in closely, you can see that we were actually very bearish and constantly below this blue conversion line, and not even testing this rate baseline at all. So that is the sellers are still in control. So the first resistance to watch will be 63.30, and the second resistance would be the $70 psychological resistance. That said, where are we heading to after this 66.89? It's likely for us to actually break down all the way. If this $50 and $40 psychological supports do not hold, it's likely for us to come back to retest this 36.75, perhaps in the upcoming months ahead. Of course, we wouldn't fall in a straight line. It's likely for us to fall slightly more, even potentially coming up to test this previous support here, now turn into resistance, and thereafter we can come back down to this 36.75 potential bottom for AMD if we can get a double bottom there. So next up we have Nvidia. So for Nvidia, it's slightly stronger, even though I would say there's not much hope to it. You can see this 23.6% and 116.28. So currently we are exactly at that position now. If we were to break down, which is a high chance for us to break down, we would likely to be putting a lot of pressure on the $100 psychological support level. If not, once we break that level, it is likely for us to come back to a potential low of 45.17, which is of course still pretty far away. And this actually happened back in March 2020 during the huge sell-off. So for the resistance to watch, you can see that compared to AMD, we are slightly stronger, and we actually tested this rate baseline, but we were rejected off this particular day here. So this was a very strong resistance for Nvidia. So the current resistance will be 125 levels, and the second resistance will be around the 130 psychological resistance. So once again, in the event that we do actually take a bounce from this 116 levels, if us come up, hit some cloud resistance here, and you can see the previous support here will likely to turn into resistance, and this was a high of around 140 levels. So do bear in mind that that may happen, and once we hit this resistance, it's likely for us to come back down further to retest the $100 psychological support level. So it doesn't seem too good for now, unless we see a potential change in sentiments or even a potential rebound or reversal from here. So if there's any changes, I'll give you guys an update. Thanks for stopping by. Till we meet again, appreciate the manipulation.